Waheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh. Today, here on behalf of Assembly Member Carlos Villapudua, my name is Gurleen Boparai. I'm one of his district representatives. He sends his regards for the Sikhs today, that they're celebrating Vaisakhi, and he knows this is a very occasionous and holy day for the Sikh faith. The Khalsa Panth was created today in 1699, and it really set the forward for the key values of the Sikh faith. So we're really thankful that the Sikhs are here in our district at the first Sikh temple in the U.S., and they've been serving here for now almost 110 years. This temple was established in 1912, so we're very thankful for the Sikh community, and we wish you all a happy Vaisakhi on behalf of Assembly Member Carlos Villapudua. Thank you.